Hey everyone, and welcome to Chinese Skill Unit 20. In this unit, we're going to learn some basic housing vocabulary, including room names and some common household appliances. We'll also cover some useful expressions that you can use when renting an apartment in China. So let's get started. I want to begin here by first expanding a little bit on the word 有. Before we learned 有 means to have, like in 我有两个哥哥. I have two older brothers. Additionally, 有 can also be used to express something's existence in a place or location, and uses the following structure. A place plus 有 plus something. For example, 客厅里有电视. 客厅里有电视. There's a TV in the living room. 冰箱里有鸡蛋. 冰箱里有鸡蛋. There are eggs in the refrigerator. And to negate 有, we can use 没有. So if you're talking about a bedroom that doesn't have an air conditioner, you could say 卧室里没有空调. 卧室里没有空调. There's no AC in the bedroom. Sometimes 有 can also mean include, like in the question 这个房子有几个卧室? How many bedrooms are included in this apartment? If the apartment has 2 bedrooms, you could say 这个房子有两个卧室. There are 2 bedrooms in this apartment. So how would you ask, does this apartment have or include a living room? 这个房子有客厅吗？这个房子有没有客厅? Is there a living room included in this apartment? And actually, my first year in China, my apartment didn't have a living room. So I could say 我的房子没有客厅. 我的房子没有客厅. My apartment didn't include a living room. Now I know that was a lot, so let's stop and do a little review here. Using 冰箱 for refrigerator and 厨房 for kitchen, how would you say there is a refrigerator in the kitchen? 厨房里有冰箱. 厨房里有冰箱. There's a refrigerator in the kitchen. And using 房子 for apartment and 卧室 for bedroom, how would you say there are 3 bedrooms included in this apartment? 这个房子有3个卧室. 这个房子有3个卧室. There are 3 bedrooms included in this apartment. Good job. The last thing I want to talk about here are a few essential phrases you'll need when renting an apartment in China. And the first one, you could probably guess how to say yourself. How much is this apartment? 这个房子多少钱? 这个房子多少钱? How much is this apartment? This question can be used to ask about rental prices or selling prices. So for example, the last apartment I lived in Hangzhou, I was renting for 4,500 renminbi a month, 4,500块一个月. But if you're looking to buy, the answer to the question 这个房子多少钱 may be more like 300万, 3 million yuan. The next question we have here is 几室几厅, which means how many bedrooms and how many living rooms and dining rooms. 室 refers to a bedroom, 卧室, and 厅 refers to a living room, 客厅, and a dining room, 餐厅. To respond to this question, we use the following format: a number plus 室, followed by a number plus 厅. And this is also the same format used when describing the layouts of houses or apartments in general. So for example, a single may live in a 一室一厅, an apartment with 1 bedroom and 1 living room. The last place I lived in was a 两室一厅, an apartment with 2 bedrooms and 1 living room. If it is 一厅, that means the dining area is a part of the living room. But if it's 两厅, that means the dining area and the living room are separated into 2 different rooms. So how would you say an apartment with 2 bedrooms and a separated living and dining room? 两室两厅. 两室两厅, an apartment with 2 bedrooms and a separated living room dining room. Good job. Because the weather in China can sometimes get really hot, having an air conditioner is a must, which brings me to the next essential question. 有空调吗? 有空调吗 means, is there an air conditioner, or does it have AC? So you can ask, 这个房子有空调吗? does this apartment include an air conditioner? So how would you ask, does the bedroom have AC? 卧室里有空调吗?卧室里有空调吗? Does the bedroom have an air conditioner? Lastly, if you're looking for places in China, but all the apartments that you're being shown are a little bit expensive, you can always ask, 有便宜点儿的吗? Or 有没有便宜点儿的? Which means, are there any cheaper ones? Bye bye!